Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing the Fashionstorm large macrame wall hanging tapestry, a stunning boho decor piece made from eco-friendly natural cotton rope and a wooden dowel. Measuring 110 centimeters wide and 82 centimeters long from top to fringe, this tapestry adds a unique, luxurious touch to any room. It comes in 3 separate parts that easily connect with screws, making installation simple and hassle-free. Use it as a wall hanging, macrame curtains for windows, or even a headboard for your bedroom. The intricate woven pattern elevates your space with a cozy, handcrafted feel. This tapestry also makes a thoughtful gift for birthdays, weddings, or housewarmings. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.